Welcome to this week's episode of Just the Tip. So today I'm going to talk to you about a mistake I made when I was organizing one time. So we have a method that we use, and I was in some serious clutter. I was in someone's kitchen, and there wasn't a lot of space. So I opened up a cabinet and I started organizing. Now that seems well and good, but here's the problem, you guys. I did not do the pull-out method, okay? And it ended terribly, and I'm not afraid to admit that. So what I should have done is I should have cleared a space on the floor or somewhere where I could have then pulled everything out of that cabinet, sorted, categorized by like items, then started the declutter process. So I wasn't super happy with my end project because I didn't follow the process. So don't make that mistake. Make sure you follow the pull-out method and learn from my mistake. All right, take care and we'll see you next time.